torture is just a little drip. Just start with a slow drip. I want to see how it feels.
Baby, take the rag off for just a second.
Why?
Just for a second.
She's gonna rub her taint in your face.
We're gonna. We
Kids,
want.
do not try this at home.
Yeah.
This is a Jackass at the Heath House.
This is waterboarding at its best.
Take a deep breath.
2013.
Here it comes.
Oh, come on, you can do better
If
than
you
that.
just pour it on his nose.
Right here in my mouth. Teaching him how to torture me. Okay, go faster.
I don't think he's gonna last a minute.
Oh yeah, totally feels like a job. It totally works, dude. I'm so vulnerable. Alright, I'll confess. I did it.
Okay, now let's try the dripping.
That is a scary feeling, dude.